Okay, ready? Hello, everyone. We're Nat, Deep, Rishabh, and Benson, and we're doing the Goldman Sachs Challenge to analyze the impact of the environment on U.S. stock price. So several studies have shown the impact and relationship between stock price and environmental factors such as emissions of greenhouse gases, CO2, and also weather data. And so we wanted to analyze the bidirectional relationship between those two factors in order to build models that can predict risk events and also discover new investment opportunities based on these variations.
So the databases that we've done had their own unique challenges. While the US stocks daily had more than 37 million entries, the environment dataset was split over multiple different views. To tackle this, we created two subteams, one that parsed the environment dataset for features, while another tried to find a proper way to subset non-routine entries. Once we'd completed that, we used a combination of SQL queries and the Snowflake connector for Python to load the datasets to local CSV files for analysis. In terms of data normalization, a major hurdle was the specific daily entries in the US stocks database, but the yearly entries in the environment database. To counter this, we created two different data sets. One was a data set of average values over the years from 1970 to present, while another was a subset of the stock history from 2018 to present. To ensure data cleanliness, we only imported the relevant data from Snowflake and tried to use pandas and NumPy to filter for specific values. We did this to maintain that fine line between too much data and too little data. During aggregation, some features got abnormally large, so we used log transformations regularly to maintain a coherency in the data. This allowed us to see general trends instead of overscaled y-axes because of outliers. Next.
Okay, so I'll do a quick demonstration of our OS program that uses the command line arguments, where you can put in a path to save plots, an indicator for the environmental factors, and then which sector you want to look at. And you can run the command using this command. And this will save each plot in a specific directory, and it can show the plots as well. So I'll go and finish off by talking about the insights that we found. We found that the financial, technology, real estate, and energy industries had the biggest impact. And for future work, we want to look at expanding the compatibility for this set with more dynamics and correlation matrices.